Yo, what's good everyone? It's okay Wasabi, and by now you should know the rest. So today, Sishaya is special unboxing. My good friends at Lenovo sent me this package and said, hey, don't you want to find out what's inside? I said, Lenovo, of course I want to find out what's inside. You guys make laptops, so there's a 90% chance it might be a laptop, but you know, curiosity never killed this cat. Anyway guys, it's a black box with a ribbon over here, as you can see, and it's quite heavy. Okay, start with the bow, you know. Unbox it. Bonjour. Oh my goodness, there's a message here for me. It says, hey George, to kick off our epic partnership, we're gifting you with the awesome Lenovo Legion 5. Get ready to create smarter experiences with your new epic device. We look forward to seeing all the magic you're about to create with Lenovo by your side. From Lenovo, #play smarter. Ah, thank you so much, Lenovo. So, Lenovo, you've ruined the surprise. You were supposed to leave this note underneath the laptop. So now we all know what's inside. So anyway, you guys can stop watching this video. I'm joking guys. Blue unwrapping paper, black unwrapping paper. Oh my goodness. Is this a mouse? RGB gaming mouse, M300. This is dope. This is dope. I haven't opened it yet, but I can tell. It's dope. Okay. I already have a Legion, by the way. You know, so this would be my second Legion. I genuinely love gaming laptops. You know, it's power on the go. It's just power on the go. You know, do you want to game? Do you want to edit 4K footage? You can do it on the go, on the plane, on the bus, at a restaurant, anywhere you want. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Wait. Oh, charging brick. Okay. No wonder this thing was heavy. Get that out of the way. Okay, so this seems to be the charging brick. 230 watts of charging power. So compact. It also a bit heavy. It's got a bit of weight to it, but dope nonetheless. And I like that it's long. Wow, okay. Charging brick out of the way. Now what I'm really interested in, you guys know what I'm really interested in. The Lenovo Legion 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my, I have a Wi-Fi 40 by the way. Oh my goodness, I wonder what the specs are in here, but this looks dope. It's got some weight to it, but it's tiny for a gaming laptop, because we know all my gaming laptops are huge. And this has some style to it, you know, you can go into a boardroom with this and your boss will be none the wiser. Why is this guy bringing a gaming laptop into the office? That time you're killing it on Fortnite, you know, killing it on Apex. What do you guys like, Fortnite or Apex? Please tell me, tell me in the comments, because it's going to be important for what I gotta tell you guys later. But anyway, oh snap, Core i7 10th gen, GeForce NVIDIA graphics. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome guys. This is the Lenovo Legion 5. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I've got a surprise for you guys. I'm talking to all the gamers out there, and maybe the gamers to be. I might be giving away one of these bad boys. How am I going to be giving it away, you ask? I will tell you. So I might just be hosting a 4-week gaming tournament, maybe on Fortnite or Apex. I suck at Apex, so it might be at Fortnite. We'll see, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll be hosting a 4-week gaming tournament, and where we're going to be playing against each other. I'll give you my code, my access code, and you can come on Fortnite. I'll add you. We'll all be a group of people, and we'll be playing for Fortnite. We'll be playing Fortnite for a couple of fortnights. We'll be playing Fortnite for a couple of weeks, and whoever comes out on top might win themselves some goodies, including maybe an RGB mouse, maybe a gaming chair. Maybe this Legion 5. We'll see. Just stay tuned for more information. Follow Lenovo and stay glued to my post, and you guys might win yourself a Legion 5. See you soon guys. Peace.